The sweet and sour sauce they serve at McDonald's is so good that it makes everything taste even better. But what if I tell you that I have found the secret to make the same sauce at home? Watch the full video to know about the recipe. All that you would require is Apricot Preserves, Heinz 57 sauce, Italian salad dressing and soy sauce. All you need to do is to pour all the ingredients in a bowl and mix it all up. That was all. You refrigerate this sauce and use it whenever you want. No more ordering McDonald's just for the sauce. See you in the next video.